Responding to cyber threats isn't just a technical challenge. It's a race against time, where every minute of uncertainty can mean greater risk to data, business continuity, and reputation. In this demo, you'll see how Arlie Recover connects threat detection tools like Splunk to automated recovery workflows. We'll walk through a real-world scenario of responding to a ransomware alert on a virtual machine, illustrating Arlie Recover's structured process that balances automation with human oversight. You'll also learn how it enables safe, repeatable, and fully auditable actions for effective threat response. Imagine you're a senior IT operations manager at a global financial services firm. It's 9:30 a.m., and your team receives a high-priority alert from Splunk. Suspicious encryption activity on a critical VM, indicating a ransomware attack. Previously, this situation would have caused chaos, with emails flying in, manual checklists being used, duplicate and competing activities, and uncertainty about what to do next. But today, with Commvault Cloud and our Arlie Recover agent, the process can be different. That alert has been automatically ingested and correlated within Commvault's threat detection dashboard, alongside anomaly data and backup intelligence, providing a single, actionable view for initiating a response. The Arlie Recover agent has already generated several response plans for these incidents. Instead of starting from a blank slate, we already have a ready-to-run response plan for this VM. Arlie Recover automatically generates it when the Splunk alert is correlated, linking the detection directly to the asset and pre-building the appropriate recovery workflow. This strong connection between threat detection and guided recovery helps reduce the risk of human error and the manual handoff that typically costs valuable time, giving teams a clear starting point quickly. Let's open the plan and launch Arlie Recover. Arlie Recover loads all event details from Splunk and generates a step-by-step recovery workflow tailored for this specific system. This is the key shift. Instead of making you improvise, Arlie Recover offers a guided path that's safe, consistent, and fully auditable. The plan is organized into 5 clear guided stages, helping you progress through recovery in a controlled and predictable way, balancing automation with human decision-making at every stage. The workflow begins by disabling data aging, which prevents backup data from aging out or being deleted during the investigation. Then, Arlie Recover walks through selecting an optimal recovery point, usually the last snapshot validated as clean. To validate the data before recovery, Arlie Recover recommends selecting an appropriate cleanroom target to safely inspect the data. You can also add additional validation tools to the recovery process. Each action is confirmed by the operator and logged automatically. Even during a stressful incident, this approach helps keep the process safe, consistent, and traceable, giving you confidence that every action is correct and accurately recorded. Once complete, Arlie Recover summarizes the outcome and provides clear next steps for your response team. Throughout the process, every step is documented and linked back to the original Splunk event, creating a complete, auditable chain of recovery. In just a few guided steps, we've turned a Splunk-detected ransomware alert into a structured, verified recovery process. Arlie Recover is designed to enable guided, consistent, and confident recovery, reducing reactivity and risk. Cyber recovery becomes a more predictable and repeatable process, providing teams with better control and assurance when they need it most.